Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Subhero. Subhero is a tool that will help you to manage and track your subscriptions easily. And if you're the person who use a lot of tools online or who have a lot of subscription, then this tool can be help you in case of your productivity, I think. And see, they're saying that you can manage and track your subscriptions easily with an automated solution for all platform by using this Subhero. Now, if you want to see the lifetime deal pricing of this deal, here you can track up to 250 subscription for one code. You can have up to 10 folders, up to 10 tags, 5 payment method, 5 alert profiles, 250 MB total storage, 3 additional contacts, import export function, mobile app, and webhook or integration. If you stack one additional code, then you will get unlimited subs, then up to 50 folders, and then 50 tags, 20 payment method, 20 alert profile, and 1 GB total storage. And if you stack 2 additional code, then you will get 5 Pro Plus account more. So these are the things, and this tool is completely new tool. That's why there is no review as of now. I'm recording this video now. Without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Subhero and let's explore how things work here. See, this is the dashboard, guys, and previously when I have tested this tool, I have added here some deals. See, I have added here SendFox, Get Response, JPR, then I have added here System IO, and then I have added one VPN named Disconnect, BuildRail, and Netflix. So these are the things, and see here there have two statistics. As you can see, the statistics you are seeing in the left hand side, these are basically subscription based statistics, and the statistics that you are seeing in the right hand side, these are basically lifetime deal statistics. These are the things, and if you want to add your deals, then just click here add, and then here you have to select the type of your subscription. See, there have subscription, trial, and lifetime. Let's say we want to add one subscription, and then here company name. Let's say the company name is, let's say here I will add ConvertKit, and then here you can select your payment date. Let's say the payment date is 4, and then here you can add note, just for dummy purpose, guys, I'm adding here note here. And then here billing cycle, let's say the billing cycle is every let's say every 15, every month. You can also select every week, every year also, but in my case I will select here every month. And then alert profile, let's say system default or system default LTD. See, there have subscription and LTD, so let's say it's a subscription, and if it has any refund period, then you can also add the refund period here basically. That means when, let's say, if I add the subscription period 15, then after 15 days you will get one alert. These are the things, I hope you get idea. And then they have discount voucher, and then they have price. Let's say the price is, you can increase or decrease from here. Let's say the price is huge, let's say we will add here maybe 150 USD. You can change the currency, a lot of currencies are available here, and you can also add the expired date. So let's say the expired date will be at 12 in the next month, so I'll select it. And then here market recurring price you have to select, and I think these two price will be same, so I'll add here 150, 150. Okay, here I'm not sure why it's uh, okay, here will be 150. Let me copy it, guys, and then I will paste it here again. So these are the things you can add here: your support detail, your payment method, let's say PayPal. And see, this payment method will also depend on your subscription. See here, if you stack one additional code, then you will get 20 payment method, but by default you will get this 3 payment method. There have credit card, others, and PayPal. So these are the things, and here you can select different categories. See, different categories you can select, you can search it from here. Also you can add description from here, and you can select different folder. See, I have created 2 folder, you can create up to 50 folder maybe. Let me check, guys. From here, see, if you stack one additional code, then you can create 50 folder, and if you get one code, then you can create here 10 folders. These are the things, guys. Now let's say I'll select it as dev tools, and then here you can add support details. Here you can add tag. Let's say the tag will be email marketing. If you want to add any new tag, let's say design, then you can also add here. These are the things, and then just click here add, it will be added and your graph will be changed. See, the graph has been changed, and from here you can see how much you have paid or how much payment you have to pay in future. These are the things. You can filter these things for all years, for 2 years, for 1 year, for 6 month, quarter and monthly. These are the things. See, here you can see total number of subscription you have. You can see your monthly subscription amount from here, and total lifetime deal you have, yearly total lifetime deal expense you can see from here. These are the things, and all your subscriptions you will see here basically. I hope you get idea, and here you can edit these things. You can refund it from here. Let's say you have refunded one deal, you can just click here refund, and you can also track these things. And then you can see the history of this deal, how much payment on which date you have done. Also they have attachment. If you want, you can add the attachment. Let's say this company have sent you one invoice, you can add this invoice or store here, but this storage will depend on your code, guys. See, they are on one code, they have 250 MB total storage. If you stack one additional code, then you will get 1 GB total storage. So these are the things, depending on your code, number of code, you will get the storage that you will have here. I hope you get idea, and in this way all your deals will be stored here. It's very basic tool, guys, very minimal tool. And these are the subscriptions, and if you want to add new folder, just click here and see there have two folder that I have created. If you want to add more folder, just click here add, and then you will be able to give the folder name here. You can make it default folder. Also you can change the folder color from here, but I'm not creating any folder right now. But in your case, if you want, you can create folder from here. And then they have report. See, in the subscription section you will get individual report for subscription based software and for lifetime deal based software. But if you go and get this report section, then you will get the overall idea, guys. See, there have monthly and lifetime deal both graph you will get at a time basically. See, here you will get the subscription summary, total subscription 6, active subscription 6, cancelled subscription 0, and average cost USD yearly this amount you will be costed, monthly this amount you will be costed, and weekly this amount you will be costed. So these are things. Also you can track on which sections how much you are paying basically. See, for sales SaaS solution I'm paying 110 USD, which is 20%, and for email marketing I'm paying 40 USD, which is 7.5% of my total payment, and for online marketing sales I'm paying 55 USD, which is 10.4%, and for marketing I'm paying 300 USD, which is 56.6%. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And then they have calendar, and in this calendar you can get the calendar view of your previous and upcoming subscription. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Subhero website. But everything is here manual. You cannot connect basically with your subscriptions. You have to enter everything here manually. This is the thing, and it is not also a secured way to connect it with your subscriptions. It's not possible also all time. So you have to do everything manually basically. You have to add manually your subscription here, and then you will get the alert when you need to renew it. Or also you will get the overall summary, how much you are spending and how much you have to spend in future days. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Subhero tool. And if you think you need this type of tool for your subscriptions or for your personal growth, then you can get this Subhero lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Subhero lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.